Hey everyone, welcome back. GEEK here. So I know that you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and this is the reason that you are in this video. So being a Windows user, you must know some kind of amazing hack that even the pro user doesn't know. And after knowing this hack, I'm very sure that you will be enjoying the Windows and you will be aware of many hidden hacks. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Alright, so let's start with the first one, that is renaming the multiple files in an instant. So if you're looking to rename the multiple file all in one go with the same name, simply select them all. Like I have the 4 here, so I will select them all. Then you need to press the F2 key from your keyboard and one of the file will be selected here. Now you can rename it anything, like I will give test1. And now after this, you will find all these files are being renamed test1, 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 2, test1, 3. Now this can be really useful for you if you have some similar files and if you want to search in the future by the same name and you want that everything should be displayed. Like for example, let me show you. If I search here test, so I will be getting all the file with that particular name and there will be no confusion because all the file have the different number. So this can be of great use when you have multiple file and you want to make some kind of category of your pictures, of your audio file, MP3 or any kind of document so that you can easily search them with the same particular name. Okay, and now let's move to the next hack, and that is the Winget command. So if you bring up the command prompt, type cmd, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. And here if you type a simple command, that is winget space upgrade, and hit the enter key. Now it will be looking for all the application on your computer that require an update or upgrade. Like on my end, you can see it listed me all the application here along with all the information. Like the top one is the BlueStack. It shows me the current version and what is the available version available. So this is how I can know that how many application need an update here and what is the latest update available. Similarly, CPU ID, CPU Z application, so 2.10 is the current version, 2.15 is available. Now another best part is if you want to update them all, then you have to type a simple command, winget space upgrade space dash dash all, and again hit the enter key. Now this will be upgrading and updating all your application that needs the update. And you can see that it has started working on it and it's updating all the application. So now you have to leave it depending that how many applications are pending for the update. It may take some time. So now the update will take a long time. You can see that it's around 3.35 gigabyte of update. So what I can do, I can minimize it. And let's move to the next hack, that is quick access to the desktop. So if you want to increase your productivity and if you want to enjoy the computer as a pro user, then you must know this quick shortcut. Like let's say if you're on any application or any program or in any kind of browser, so you can instantly minimize it, all of them, by using the Window plus D key. And again, you can press the same key in order to bring it up. So even if there are multiple applications open, everything will be minimized once. This can be even really useful for you if you want to quickly hide all the application when you are in the office or you don't want to show it to any of your family member. So you can use this simple shortcut key to quickly minimize each and everything and come to your desktop. Now next, I believe that many of you might not be sure that you get an option on Windows 11 and Windows 10 to add the ultimate power plan. So if you click on your Windows search, type here powercfg.cpl and hit the enter key. So this will bring up the power plan here. Now by default here you might see the balanced, power saver or the high performance. So here if you need a better power plan even in the high performance, then what you will have to do, click on your Windows search, type cmd, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes, and I will be sharing the command in the description. You need to copy and make a right click here. This is the command, and once you hit the enter key, now the next time when you bring up the power plan, by typing this command powercfg.cpl and click on show additional plan, so you will find the ultimate power plan is being added here in the power options. So you just need to select it. So now after adding this ultimate power plan, you will be surely improving the gaming performance and even the performance of your CPU. Alright, now next we have the performance monitor. So if you right click on the Windows icon, click on run, and here if you type perfmon space /rel and hit the enter key. So this will now bring up the reliability monitor. Now this is very similar to the event viewer. Let me also show you that. If you type event viewer and bring it up. So here if you go in the application or the Windows logs, so here it basically help you to identify that what kind of problem occurred, what period of time, what was the reason, event ID, all the information are being listed. Now if you need to know this in a more advanced way, in a more better way, this reliability monitor is a better option. Now you can see here, it shows you all the errors, and once you click on it, for that particular date, it shows you all the information that which exact application stopped working, what period of time, along with the action detail information. And if you read about it, it says review your computer reliability and problem history. The stability index assesses your system overall stability on a scale from 1 to 10 by selecting a specific period in time. You may review the specific hardware and software problems that have impacted your system. So this can be really useful for you in order to identify the problem if you want to do any kind of troubleshooting or if you want to monitor it. Now the major reason of sharing this reliability monitor is only few people know about it, and I want that you should be aware of it. So in the future, if you want to troubleshoot, you want to know any hardware or software problems, then you can come to this page, click on that particular date, and it will list you all the information, what exactly happened, what was the problem. Okay, and now let's move with the last hack, that is the God mode. Now I'm very sure majority of the people know about it, but I believe that majority of the people don't use it. Now let me show you how exactly you have to create it. Make a right click on your desktop, hover up to new, click on folder. Then I will be sharing the code in the description. You just need to copy it. Right click on this new folder, rename it, and paste that particular path you copied. And once you hit the enter key, now you will find this icon has been automatically changed. And if you make a double click on it, bingo. So this is exactly what the God mode is, that avail you all kind of tool, all kind of feature at one place only, along with the category like the autoplay, backup and restore, BitLocker, drive encryption. And this way you can easily know that what all you can enjoy on your Windows PC or laptop. And even you can access them from one place only with one icon. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, found the information useful. If yes, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.